Okay, we will answer this one. Find the product of the square of 4x minus 2y. Okay, since meron tayong squared, so i-double natin yan. 4x minus 2y times 4x minus 2y. Then apply natin yung first, outer, inner, at saka last. First muna tayo. Multiply natin yan. 4x times 4x, so that is 16x squared. Then outer. Si 4x, multiply natin kay negative 2y, so that is negative 8xy. Then inner, yan, negative 2y times 4x, so that is negative 8xy. Then last, si 2y multiply na, or negative 2y multiply natin kay negative 2y, so that is positive 4y squared. Then kopyahin natin itong 6x squared, tapos ito i-combine natin yan, so that is negative 16xy. Then kopyahin natin yung plus 4y squared. Okay, so sa choices natin, letter C is the correct answer.